Hello Zitty here and welcome to Foundry. So let's go single player, new game, uh, to 2B. Randomize the holy shit out of that. Creative mode, nope, start. Now this shouldn't take long on my system. There we go. Housing drop pod, have a potential landing area, visual legendary landing, prepare robot. For some reason
Welcome,
that was loud
operator.
sound.
I'm Carl, your Facility Management Artificial Intelligence. This resource-rich moon has been selected for the Foundry initiative with the goal of converting it into a manufacturing hub. Construction work has already started, and many teams, just like us, have been deployed with their initial assignments. Our task is to establish mining and smelting operations to ensure a steady supply of essential metals. My goal is to assist you in setting up this factory. Let's run a few basic checks before we get started. Open your map to check your surroundings.
See, map is probably M. Yep.
Fantastic. There are several ore patches in the vicinity. Equip your ore scanner from the inventory and use it to locate the ore patches.
Well, we started next to one of these. Let's see, how do we get scanner? Current target? No, that's not, that's a tablet. How do I get for scanner? That is building. This is lights. That's research. Oh, even. Oh wait, I need to equip this like this.
To get started, approach both of the ore patches and mine some ore.
Right next to it. Platinum ore. I don't know what the other one was called. Oh, xenoferrite. So basically copper.
Great. Now that we have an initial supply of ore, we need to smelt it into plates and rods. Go back to your drop pod and use the built-in smelters to create your first crafting materials.
Lay the top of these. Oh, it doesn't stay damaged if you stop it, repairs itself. Or it gets reset to its original value. This feels a bit better than the demo I played at one point. Let's clear this as well. Biomass. I feel like they should have made the tree animation a bit better when you cut it down. Let's clear it out. Ending location. Oh, customize character. Let's see. Search. Okay, just click. Should start smelting. I'm guessing it takes the full amount. Oh no, it doesn't. So it looks like there's stacks of 200 and biomass is biomass pellets apparently. We get from just going through. They're both done. Just gives you stone. Straight up. take it. Take and take.
Now that we have basic materials available, we should start crafting building blocks which act as a foundation for other buildings. To do so, you need to open the crafting menu and click the desired items. Then, place them in the shape of a platform next to one of the ore patches.
It should really specify which button is which. The tutorial. But she's probably crafting. So yeah, if you go structured building block, great. Guessing that's for storage. Wants me to make 30 building blocks. This gives you 10. So we don't have enough of the plates. Not yet. But wants 30. The basic ones, the one things we already have. Let's see. Blocks. Place that on this. Some stone. There we go. But wants to also place it next to these. Just open this up then. This gives us dirt. Oh, it needs to be dirty.
To automate ore extraction, we need to set up a drone miner. Craft one and place it on top of your foundation right next to the ore patch.
Drone miner. Auto grappling. That's what to call it. This. So the panel is towards us. Doesn't even matter how I place this.
Drone miners and most other buildings require power to function. Let's build a biomass generator on the same foundation as the drone miner. Once built, you need to harvest some plants and trees with your mining drill to collect biomass. Insert the biomass into the generator and it will start to power all buildings on the same foundation as the generator.
Yeah, so just make a massive foundation area. Is there a way to see what I'm crafting? Oh, B is in it. The biomass burn. Place it on. Well, I jumped too much. So if I do, oh, that's manage inventory. Oh, biomass burn.
Go watch your mining drones acquire your first automated ore. Aren't they beautiful? Anyways, we need to get going. Let's build a smelter next.
Like I'm gonna be busy kind of mining up the dirt blocks next to it. We can extend our range quite a bit. So one smelter. We'll just place it here for now. I feel like I should just extend it towards here. Just away from it. Oh, that is where you can see it crafting. I'm wondering. Probably want to extend this a bit. Oh, that's copy. I deselect it. Oh, C. Small smelter. It's small. Like this.
The smelter is more efficient than the inbuilt drop pod smelter, so you should start using this from now on. Another benefit is that we can automate the smelters to make our life easier. For this, you need to connect the drone miner to a smelter by using loaders and conveyor belts. Please go ahead and connect them while I'm notifying Mission Command on our progress. Communication link establishment failure. Curiously, I find myself unable to make contact with Mission Command. It could be a technical anomaly. I shall persist in my attempts.
Other orders down there. Should probably connect that to this and just route it back in. Layer loader. I think it looks like this. Oh, notice the default. So this is input. Output no config. So if we go to 5, you have to remove it. Yeah, it outputs. Now we need machinery parts, more material. Oh, we're completely out. Like both of these are out. We still have a bunch. I can also put these in. Yeah, we still had enough. But I do need to get a second, or connect this all the way through to that area. And just make a drone miner first before we run out of materials. Just make a small area that we can power. Like this. Take. One drone miner. Builds. Place it like this. Now in a way I just need a bunch of the building blocks. Or put a power generator next to it. We can at least get those. Take it. Then put it in. It doesn't look like I can build anything, so we're missing something. Oh, it's the copper plates. I mean, one biomass generator and a bunch of those building spots. able to reach this. This should be fine. We're running low on pellets. This is using less power, so machine efficiency 70%. If I shut this off, current output doesn't seem like it matters much. Probably only need one of them. I don't know if it actually matters much. This should run. But we should have more than enough power to run both of these at once. I just need to build a bunch of conveyors. Yeah, conveyor belts is going to be really expensive. So if I go through this, I don't really want to completely separate this. But we need a lot of the belts at least. This should be able to run. It should fuel itself. Or I'll do the smelter here for this one. Like in the same vein over here. One smelter. Out. What I don't know, will this actually lower its usage when necessary? Should. Oh, put my lights on. I can actually see where we're going. The main way of getting more biomass, at least for now. What a seed. So it looks like we can actually make grow plants ourselves. This gives you a bunch of stone. Also looks like a completely different biome. Looks like stuff is growing here. So it does look like you can regrow plants. And also I see where a landing location is. That's what the more than enough for a while. So is this only customization? Yeah. Also mining drill color can be changed. No blue. I think it matters. Oh. They're mostly low on these plates. What I'm gonna do is extend this. Oh, I need more points. But more blocks. Let it out. Desert seed. Needs desert seeds to or the desert rock to actually be planted on. That's forest. Plants and oh, those are different. This, let's go with 4. Set 4. Same line. Then we need 2. Oh, I think I need one more line on it. I could copy that. 6. Goes on the building. The output. Input. Select 5 for the belts. And this should be able to run. This should be way faster than the other one. If this is still too slow, we just build one behind it and just extend this way. Probably the easiest way to extend our production. Let's say do dual sides. So do 2 layers of smelters. That could work.
You have the machines necessary to connect the drone miner to the smelter. Now, attach a loader to each machine and connect them with conveyor belts. After you are done, you should build more smelters and have them produce enough metal plates and rods to fulfill our mission. Speaking of which, the mission control link remains non-responsive. Our objective is near completion and immediate guidance from mission command is required.
Plates need to be upgraded in production. There we have enough rods. Auto sort. But yeah, the plates are really low. Like my main bottleneck. Am I using more of those plates than anything? Yeah, it's 6 and 4. So we are using way more plates. We'll extend this one a little bit, like this. Then smelter. Again, because we're low on materials. Yeah. Then get one more loader. And basically place it here. Extend this. Place with 4. Get stuck. What's wrong? How do I destroy? Place it like this. now we have a dual-sided. I'm using the Q as a deselect instead of copy. But yeah, now we're doing two sides, and I'm gonna do that on the same on his this side. Still low on plates. And let's do the same here. Need like 3 spaces, I think. Oh wait, I'm on the wrong side. Like an idiot. Do this. And need more of those plates, come on. Oh, it doesn't look like I can take from there. One smelter, one loader. What's this?
We have completed our initial mission of setting up a smelting facility. We've done a great job, haven't we? At this point, we should have received further instructions, but something is blocking our communications. I think we'll have to improvise. My archives contain a blueprint for a research server. Through material analysis, I should be able to provide an emergency beacon blueprint. Let's get going and build a research server.
Yeah, we're supposed to build, get the research up and running. Science. Research server. And science packs. Yeah, it's Factorio. No running on this one. Let's manage inventory. It's status. So these should be able to handle 700. Pretty sure. Low voltage. That do. No, that's still low voltage. Wait, are there several different voltages that we need? Let's turn this off. Now this is max output 600. So it does yeah, it lowers the speed on the of the usage. Pretty sure. Research server. Oh, where to place this? Let's see if we place it here.
To advance in research, you will need to build science packs. Craft a few by hand and insert them into the research server to research the emergency beacon blueprint.
Side. I can actually read what it says. So I need to make these. So it's machinery parts and technum rods. And I don't think we can. Yeah, we can't craft those yet. We can only smelt. So we need to do this ourselves. Just for now. actually have a decent amount in storage. Pretty sure, yeah. Also about dumped biomass in. Yeah, these should use up the blocks. I'm pretty sure this is not infinite. Does it say? Oh yeah, on the tablet it says how much is still in there. So 600. Oh, that's per block. So there's at least thousands in here. But eventually you use all of it up. And you're gonna need to go to the next area and get more. So 3 science packs. That should be easy. Helping pure pollutants into the air with biomass. Everything is just slow. Put to win. It is registering as crafted. I don't just have it. Search interface. There it is. Emergency beacon. By placing the emergency beacon, we should be able to re-establish communications with mission control. Start research. And it's just gonna take a little bit. Come on, go faster. It's not that slow.
Got it. We now have the emergency beacon blueprint. Craft it and place it, but not too close to your existing machines. Those rescue parties tend to land right on top of the beacons.
So let's see. We built it in here. Yeah, that is emergency beacon. It's blast resistant. This might not need to be on a I can just place this anywhere. Yeah, it doesn't need to be on those platforms. Oh, hello. I didn't even look up. There's a massive space station above us. Oh, send emergency signal.
Great. Now you might want to take a step back and look up. A real groundbreaker. This Corporate Command Companion Bureaucrat bot, C3BB for short, will help us establish a connection with Mission Command. First, let's help him out of that drop pod by deconstructing and placing it in a safe location.
I see BB hub. See, it's this one. So this doesn't seem to be needing. Well, it might need power. I'm gonna place this.
Welcome to the ground C3BB. We have activated this emergency beacon because we are having trouble communicating with Mission Command. Critical damage on the Mission Command space station, you say? Spontaneous explosive disassembly. That's extremely troubling. What now? Are we trapped here? That aligns with our disaster contingency protocol. C3BB, initiate a thorough analysis of the incident. We'll integrate your extended blueprint archive with our research servers and construct a self-sufficient manufacturing facility capable of providing emergency aid.
Excavation marker bonnet. Oh, internet. Research assembly.
You're right. We need a machine that is able to craft common items. I'm glad you have the blueprint stored. Let's go ahead and research the assembler.
Yeah, so he gives you blueprints apparently. But yeah, let's end the episode here. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next